Hi there, my name is Alicia and I'm going to be explaining the functions of the organelles that are inside of the cell. So we'll start with that blue line surrounding the cell, which is the plasma membrane. It defines boundaries of the cell and it governs its interactions with other cells and controls the passage of materials into and out of the cell. It is formed by two layers of phospholipids. And then we'll move on to that pink circle in the middle there, which is the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center. It is the center of the cell and it holds DNA. And it is also the largest organelle. And that yellow circle in the middle of the nucleus is the nucleolus, which is the brain of the cell. And then that dark line surrounding the nucleus is the nuclear envelope, and that is a bilayer membrane surrounding the nucleus. And to the left, that green structure is the endoplasmic reticulum, and that consists of interconnected channels called cisternae, and cisternae are parallel flattened sacs covered with ribosomes, which you see those black dots. Those are my ribosomes, and those are small granules of protein and RNA, and they read coded genetic materials and assemble amino acids into proteins specified by the code. And if you look to the bottom right there, that red structure that I drew, that is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, and it synthesizes lipids, detoxifies, and manufactures all membranes of the cell. So then we'll move up to the right-hand side, which is that dark greenish structure that I drew. That is the Golgi complex, and surrounding it are those green dots, which are the Golgi vesicles. So we'll start with the Golgi complex. It is made up of cisternae as well. It puts the final touches on peptidyl and protein synthesis and also synthesizes carbohydrates. And then the finished proteins are packaged in the Golgi vesicles, and then some of those vesicles become lysosomes, which those lysosomes are those gray circles that I drew there. And lysosomes are a specialized type of Golgi vesicle that travel around the cell and break down organelles and particles. They contain digestive enzymes, so they can break down various types of materials that they come in contact with. And then the peroxisomes are kind of those darker circles that I drew there. They resemble lysosomes, but they are not produced by the Golgi complex, but they are produced by the endoplasmic reticulum, and they detoxify cells by producing hydrogen peroxide to break down particles. And then those orange kind of cylinder structures I drew are the mitochondria. Those are organelles specialized for synthesizing ATP, and they are considered the powerhouse of the cell. And then you'll see my three kind of star-shaped structures, which are the centrioles, and those are short cylindrical assemblies of microtubules. And microtubules are proteins that function during the cell division. And then the last thing there is the cytosol, and that is the white inside of the cell. And that is the fluid which all the organelles are surrounded by, and it is also called the intracellular fluid. Thank you for watching.